melting.
And the good thing is, it's melting and it'll keep melting for the next, well, I don't know, I'll look on my phone here in a minute.
Slushy na guys. It's melting, right, Jack? Is it? No, I'm talking to Jack. I'm talking. Jack. How's my Jack? Huh? How's my Jack? You're black and white. Black and white. Yan guys. It's melting. Snow is melting. Got warm up today. It's melting. Stay here, Jack. Coco. The black one has pupo dried up. Pupo dried up. What is Cal at the back there? Tag near the butt? Is it a tag? Kind of like a...
There could be a tag on it.
Oh.
I don't think we've got any tag on it.
Oh, okay. So it's gone. It fell off. Running away. Are you?
He's always a zippy guy.
Mm-hmm.
He is a very untrustworthy guy.
Hey, come on. Is that a male? The one by the door?
No, that's the female.
Oh.
She's the female one, but she's acting a little goofy today.
Her tummy is kind of big. It's getting fat. She's getting fat. Okay guys, natutunaw na ang snow. Sa kanila wala na silang snow. Ayan na lang ang snow. Ito po yung snow na may kasamang lupa. Yan. Pati grass. Ayan po. Madumi lang kasi may kasamang lupa. Ayan. Snow. Nag-ice na po siya. Tigas. Ayan. Gabundok. Ayan guys. Matagal pong matutunaw yan kasi nakatambak dito. At mataas. Yan. Ewan ko hanggang kailan ito matutunaw yung aming tatlong apple tree. Yan. Ayan. Hindi pa po steady ang stable ang temperature namin. Medyo warm up today. Kasi kahapon. Yan. Nakakadagdag po yung init ng araw. Lumabas na kaya yung tatlong stooges. Ayan. Ayan. Soon, busy na naman kami ng spring at summer. Mag-garden na naman po ako. Okay guys. Ay, may doggy sila andun. Okay guys, yan ang update. It's too early to eat Jack. So, exercise, walk. You need walk. There you go. You fatten up yourself this winter. You need exercise. Whose tire is that, Cal? Whose tire is that?
Mine.
Oh, the one, no, it's old. I can see it has a paint and rust. You're just doing some cleaning, Cal?
This is for the wagon out back. That wagon I want to put feed in.
Oh.
So it's
Bloated.
Huh?
Bloated. I call it bloated. No, it's bloated. That's air. So it's bloated. Yeah. Yeah. Yo-yo. Yo-yo, baby. He's a fat dog. Oh my goodness. He's a fat dog. Lagi ka nagmumuta.
Stony ground.
Oh.
But they'll work. It's just that. Yeah.
So it is only for snowy
Well, that's the
season.
really. I mean, people run, but you're not supposed to run them in the summer because you wear them out on bare roads like this.
Yep.
They wear out quicker because of the rubber compound. Being that it's kind of a softer rubber,
Yep.
they don't hold up good. But they really do good in the winter, they say. If you put these on your automobile in the winter, they really get around good. From what I've heard. Never used them. But somebody gave 2 to Dave and then.
Good afternoon mga kabayan. Magandang hapon. Kami ay maglalakad dito sa papunta sa likod. What are you doing, Jack Jack? What is Jack Jack doing? Ooh, may moon. The moon. Hmm? I can feel the cold in my hand. The geese. They are flying. They are back. Some of them are back here. Ford likes birds. Too far. But maybe he can hear it.
Come on.
Lots of can you believe that this what you call that, sheep's poop still in here?
Yeah, it takes a while to deteriorate.
My goodness.
Red wing, or the red on the wing.
Yeah.
You gotta get just right. Can you see it? Kind of up a high.
Yeah, I cannot see it.
We just watched him. He's gonna probably fly.
Just don't disturb him. Leave him alone. It's okay. I've seen a lot of them. You don't need to.
Come on, then let's go.
One apple there and one apple here. Apple tree.
I'll have to see if I can borrow Jeff's
This is
rangefinder.
already
So I can
an
get
old tree.
Get
apple
this fence line laid out. Now the ground's thawed out.
Yeah.
I never got all that brush picked up on the broom pile.
You need to be careful because the ground is not level. Oh, where's Jack?
Yeah, he's come out way back there.
Looks like the deer are not here. Maybe they already.
Here tonight, huh?
Huh?
Not tonight, I don't think they're in here. I didn't see anything run out.
Ooh, wetty wetty. Getting dark. Yeah, I did not eat yet because it's too early to eat. To eat dinner. Yan po ang susunugin. Yan pa ang i-clear. Di po ba? Oh. Snow po yung puti.